Hello everyone, welcome to live Q&A session for In Corporate Workshop organized by Pathshaalaa and Risara. So this is Riddhi. She is a French language expert and she has overall 10 years of experience in product, process, people and partner management. She is a certified image and appearance consultant, also a certified soft skills and etiquette expert. She has overall 8 years of corporate experience and was a part of interview panels in recruitment processes. So, welcome, Riddhi.
Thank you, Renuka. And this is Renuka. She has an overall 8.5 years of experience in a corporate field as a German language specialist. She has been handling a team of over 30 employees as an assistant manager. She's been in the recruitment process for over 3 years and has worked as an interview panel lead in Recruitment Drives. She's a German and a Sanskrit language expert. She's a qualified trainer with online teaching, and she's an online teaching expert with experience as a German trainer for over 10 years. So, welcome, Renuka.
Thank you, Riddhi. So, as promised, we are here to answer your questions regarding our in-corporate workshop. So, first of all, when is this workshop, Riddhi?
So, the workshop is going to happen on the 5th and 6th of March 2022. So, I hope I can see you guys there.
Okay. So, let's start with the Q&A.
Yes. So there were quite a few questions that we had on Instagram the other day, Renuka. One of the questions says that is it just for German language experts?
Yes, it is for German language experts, but not just for German language experts. It's for all kind of experts. If you are a non-German resource trying to get into corporate, this workshop would definitely help you. We have had our previous workshop wherein we had German language experts who benefited from it, but there were also people who were coming from non-German background. And the workshop benefited them because it's an in-corporate workshop. So it's for everybody and anybody who wants to enter the corporate field. So this workshop will prepare you for the corporate world.
That's great. I hope the others who feel that it was only for German language experts have got their doubt clarified. Thank you, Renuka.
So there was another question that a lot of people were interested in knowing. That is, what is going to be the content of this session?
Right. So the content of the course is actually very interesting. We are going to prepare all of you for your interviews, be it a freshers interview or be it an experienced professionals interview. We're going to train you on communication skills. How should you present yourself? How should your communication style be? And a very, very interesting topic is corporate etiquette. Once you get an entry in a corporate world, your life changes. So, what is it that you exactly should adhere to? What are the corporate etiquette? What are the rules? And how can that help you climb the ladder of success?
This definitely would sound interesting to all our listeners. You just mentioned that the workshop is meant for freshers as well as for experienced people. So how is it going to help both of them? Can you elaborate?
Right. So, the course is designed in a way that is going to help both of them, be it a fresher or be it an experienced professional. So, the questions that we are going to ask people in the mock interview rounds are prepared in a way that will help you, even if you're a fresher, even if you want to have a job change, or even if it's a promotion interview that a person is going to have. So, basically, it's an all in all for everyone.
Yes. So I'm sure everybody who is listening, if you're not fresher and if you're wondering if this workshop would help you, I am sure you got your answer.
So, Renuka, there's this another question that somebody had asked us. It says, can one crack an interview after this workshop?
Yeah. So this is something that we often get if we could crack the interview after attending your workshop. So I would like to repeat what Riddhi said in the content. We would take you through the entire interview process wherein we'll make you understand how to prepare for interview, what kind of questions will be asked, how to answer those questions. Now you'll have to individually prepare for your own interview, and if you are going to crack the interview or not depends on your actual performance. But it said that if you're very well prepared, half of your job is already done. And what happens in this workshop is your preparation for the interview happens. So we had uh, a few examples from our previous batches where people uh, attended our workshop, did our one-to-one counseling session and a mock interview. And after that, when they had an interview, they went through the handouts that we provided them and they told us that they could crack the interview.
Yes, absolutely. So, if at all you attend the workshop and if you really feel that whatever you've learned through this process and if you apply those learnings in your activities, I'm sure it will really, really help you get through the interviews.
Yes.
There was another question too, Renuka, similar to getting an interview through. It says that do we get referred to jobs after this workshop?
We definitely help you to get referred to in a particular company through different contacts that we already have.
So, more than happy to help.
There is another question, Riddhi, that everybody is keen to know. Every time we have this Q&A, people ask this question, and that is, what are the charges for this workshop?
Right. So, your investment for this workshop is something that we've already mentioned on our website. You can go on our website and have a look at it, or you can DM us on Instagram, or the numbers are mentioned here. You can connect with us right away. There's something very interesting that we have an early bird discount that's going on. That's up to the 27th of February. So we'd like you to hurry up and quickly get in touch with us.
Okay, so I think we have discussed all the questions, and with this, I'm sure all our listeners know exactly what this incorporate workshop is, how to apply for that or how to register for that, and who the trainers are going to be, whom they are going to be interacting with during the workshop. So I think that's good enough for today.
Yes. And if you still have any more questions that we've not been able to cover today, you know where to connect with us.
Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day and see you in the workshop.
Thanks, everyone. Bye bye.